Hello ladies and gents, welcome. Today I'm going to turn this piece of alder. It has spalting and I thought it'd be interesting to show you guys. I'm still not quite sure what I'm going to do, but I was thinking of making a pedestal like with a small foot. Maybe a deeper pedestal. As you saw guys, I've finished the inside and I've sanded it to 600. Now I'm going to finish the foot. I'm going to apply the food safe Danish oil to this piece. I'm happy with that shape. I'm going to now sand this and I'll come back and we'll oil this up. Okay, I have it parted off. That's the bottom. This is very beautiful, very beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Danish oil, food and toy safe. Is Hampshire Sheen. Martin Saban Smith produced these, and he also does wood turning. I have it. I have his link in my description, as I recently been providing links for other wood turners. So if you want, check him out. He produces a lot of nice wood turning and he likes to use colors. So if you like colors or natural edge turnings, definitely check him out. Oh, very pleased how this turned out. So I will be applying a couple of coats to this over the week. I did put it in the microwave and dried it a bit. It's not gonna crack this piece. The ball itself is very thin anyway. It was dry by the time I've finished sanding, and it didn't warp, so that's good. I think this is not spalting. I was wrong at the beginning of the video. I think this is like a, I have to research it, but I think it's like a fungus, or yeah, something like that. That's probably the reason they chopped it. They felled this tree. It was given to me by a friend of mine. Ron, thank you very much. He's not into computers and stuff, so I know he's not going to be watching this, but I've thanked him personally. He attends our charity here. Let's use another. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little turning. I just wanted to share with you guys this lovely piece. I like doing natural turnings, but I will mix it up, and soon I've got a nice project coming up. I'm sure you guys gonna like it. So yeah, that's it for today. Check this grain. I love this spot. I'll give you guys a quick through so you can see the grain. because I won't be posting pictures at the end, so this is gonna be it, because I need to keep on applying more coats of oil. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I appreciate all of you who comment on my previous videos. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.